When I was 13, I had my first issues with my hips. I ended up in so much pain that I couldn't walk. I was on crutches for 5 months. My local hospital had no idea what to do. So in the end, we went to the GP and asked to get referred to Stanmore because some of Mum's friends had been there and recommended it. I was in constant pain the whole time. I couldn't put any weight on my leg. It was much worse when I put weight on my leg. At that point, I rated my pain as a 9 or 10 out of 10. When I went in for my first diagnostic arthroscopy, which Mr Khan suggested would be a good idea, I hadn't really experienced surgery before, and the staff at Stanmore was so lovely. Everyone made sure that I was at ease at all times. They made sure I knew what was going on. They made sure I understood the procedure. And especially Mr Khan, he was so helpful. He was always there to answer all of mine and Mum's questions, which are often a lot. And he was always there to support and help me get back to doing what I wanted to do, which is dance. Straight away when I came out from the operation, I had physio come round. They helped me get out of bed, helped me get walking with crutches. But it was nice to be walking with crutches knowing that it was going to progress to walking properly. I had physio both locally and at Bolsover Street, which was really helpful. I had appointments with the dance physios who were really helpful because they understood more than lots of other physios what I needed to get back to and what sort of things I needed help with. As a dancer, you do things that most other people might not do, but you have to still be able to do them, and they were really able to help me with getting back to that. And it meant going back slowly, which as a 14-year-old I was worried about, wanting to get back quickly, but they helped me realise that going back slowly was actually what I needed to do to make sure that I could get back to the level of doing what I wanted to do. I was nervous for my first operation, and I don't think I needed to be nervous at all. It was so, when I was there, everyone was so nice, so kind. So quickly they help you. They're always there. If you're in pain, they'll give you medicine to help you get out of that pain. Everyone makes sure they've got food, they've got people to talk to. Being nervous, because I was young, they let my mum stay with me, which was really important. And now I am looking at going to college next year in a performing arts course with the limits that he's given me to hopefully pursue a career in musical theatre and get further training and hopefully end up on the West End or performing or teaching somewhere, dance or musical theatre. I would definitely recommend Stanmore as somewhere to be treated. I came myself on a recommendation. I'm really glad that people recommended it because it was definitely the right place, and if I ever needed to have any sort of surgery or hip surgery again, I'd know that it's definitely Mr Khan I want, and definitely in Stanmore too. I'm Sophia, I'm 18, I live in Rayleigh in Essex with my family, and I love to dance.